How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing when iPhone is locked. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Find the app WhatsApp. Once you find it, open it. Now head towards the option of notifications. Open it. Toggle on for the option allow notifications. Likewise, check in for this option of lock screen, notification center and banners. Also toggle on for these options, sound and badges. Now click on this option WhatsApp notification settings. Toggle on for these options, so notification and reaction notifications. Toggle on for all these options. Once you do that, you can head back to the main page of settings. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option general, head towards the option of background app refresh. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of background app refresh. Likewise, head towards the option of WhatsApp, toggle on for it. Now head back, open the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Once you check this, head back. Once you check this, open this option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, head towards the option of WhatsApp, open it, click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears the cache of the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp call not ringing when iPhone is locked. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.